Hi all. So OpenAI just launched its new AI image generator powered by GPT-4o and has flooded the internet with a lot of Ghibli studio style images. And this trend has caused a huge controversy. When world leaders, including Prime Minister of India, joins the trend, then you know the trend is real. So it's not only Ghibli studio who's being imitated on net, but almost every meme you might have seen, or most of the studio related art, you'll see being imitated using ChatGPT, its new image generator. Ironically, AI generated images goes against the ethos of Studios Ghibli, and they are not happy about it. Now you see Ghibli house style, or at least imitation of it, available on the internet as filters, and all the social media timelines are filled with. So what actually happened? So ChatGPT, OpenAI, they went ahead and surprised everyone by launching their new AI image generator. And you see, you will see that Sam Altman also had a profile pic with a Ghibli style filter of himself. But with this, ChatGPT and OpenAI has landed itself in a huge controversy related copyright infringement. So with GPT-4o, OpenAI is creating hyper realistic images, but it's also pushing their servers to limit, and there were news of their servers crashing. Now let's discuss what is the actual update with image generation which ChatGPT has done. So first, ChatGPT has replaced its DALI 3 model with GPT-4o for image generation, resulting in a faster and more accurate images being generated. Some of the key improvement is first text rendering. So you see less typos on images which are generated, especially when you are creating comic strips or things like that. Secondly, binding is better. Now it can handle 15 to 20 image objects without intermixing them. And editing is also there. So now you can upload images and edit or modify images. Now, why is it going viral? So first, speed and accessibility. So you can generate up to 3 images in the free trial, and pro users can generate unlimited images. Realism, the demo images which are generated are pretty realistic, which is showing reflections, transparent background, and multiple options. Controversy, huge amount of this image generation is causing their servers to crash, and they have landed in controversy with a copyright infringement with Ghibli style studio images flooding over the internet. So what is this Ghibli studio controversy? So when this AI image generation tool was launched by OpenAI, users went ahead and tried their hand on different kind of cartoon characters like Simpsons, Rick and Morty, Ghibli style studio. But the Ghibli style studio pictures ended up being the most favorite, and they started trending on X. So Ghibli style studio, it's famous for its hand-drawn scenery, soaking characters, and displaying them in a different way, which people like, and they were able to imitate. So this trend has leaded to a lot of people trying their hand on these images, and this is going viral. So try your hand on ChatGPT's latest AI generator and let us know what you feel, and which of these Ghibli style studio pictures do you like. And do you think AI should be censored, or it should be allowed to go through the copyrighted material when they're training their model? So thanks for your time, and don't forget to like and subscribe the channel, and we'll see you next time.